Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will show my soft toys collection. First, this is a teddy. Her name is Strawberry, and this is more one teddy, but this is made of plastic, and his name is Chotu. This is a small doll house. This is made of cardboard. This is duck, a duck and a teddy, a small teddy. This name is Duck. This is a giant teddy. His name is Patlu. This is one more teddy. His name is Motu. And this is one more teddy, and her name is Lily. Do you like my toys collection? So please like, subscribe and share my channel.